Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a fabric flower that I made and I just want to design it with this chain trimming. So just watch every process as I go. It's very easy and you're going to get it. Follow the process one by one. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Click on the like button. Also share my video and turn on the notification bell so that you can get updates on new videos like this. And if you'd like to know how to make this fabric blush, kindly drop your comment and I'm going to drop a video for you on it. Thank you very much. Just patiently watch and enjoy. Bye.